former federal prosecutor is facing serious charges as the result of a stabbing incident on the Howard Franklin Bridge in 2023. You remember the video. We've seen it a few times now. The former prosecutor's attorneys say the charges should be thrown out based on the state's Stand Your Ground law. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson live at the Pinellas Justice Center with more on this. He's making the pitch. I'm not sure how it's going, though, Jeff. It's been taking a while, this hearing.
Good evening, Keith. Well, the question for the judge in this case is, did this former federal prosecutor have a legitimate fear for his life on the day that he stabbed an unarmed man on the Howard Franklin Bridge, or was this a case of road rage?
Cell phone video shows then 35-year-old former federal prosecutor Patrick Scruggs wearing gym shorts and a T-shirt, stabbing a man again and again. On Friday, Scruggs testified he stabbed the man after his car was hit.
He hit my car, and it was really jarring. And the next thing I knew, I could hear it sounded like crunching metal and plastic.
Scruggs claims he pulled out his knife to break the man's window to prevent him from driving off and harming others.
I just didn't want him to drive the car anymore. I just wanted, this man was not in any shape to be driving a vehicle.
Blake Sharp is the man Scruggs stabbed. He says he passed out in his car because of a medical condition.
Right. So I should get stabbed because of that?
Sharp defiantly pushed back against Scruggs' attorneys as he testified. Scruggs says he stabbed Sharp because he was trapped between cars and in fear of his life. But the cell phone video shows Scruggs walking away. Then he comes back to stab Sharp again. The state says Scruggs had no reason to stab Sharp.
Did he have a weapon in his hand? No, he did not have a weapon in his hand. Did he have a weapon in the car? No, he did not have a weapon in the car. He had his tools.
The judge says he will rule on the motion for the Stand Your Ground defense at a later date. Keith?
So what happens, Jeff, if the judge does not allow the Stand Your Ground defense?
Well, Scruggs is facing charges of aggravated assault or aggravated battery. If the judge allows the Stand Your Ground defense, he could walk away with no charges at all.
All right. Well, you shall see. Thank you, Jeff.